In this short video, we'll help anyone interested in learning how to clean an engagement or wedding ring at home. Hi, I'm Mark from Serendipity Diamonds, and today I'll show you exactly how to add the sparkle back into your engagement ring and wedding ring. You've likely spent a lot of money on beautiful rings, so why not look after them and keep them sparkling at the same time? Firstly, let's look at why your rings might need cleaning. Most rings lose their shine and sparkle within a relatively short space of time for a couple of reasons. Firstly, general grime collects on most diamonds and gemstones. At the same time, gradual wear and small scratches dull the surface of the metal. If you visit your jeweller, most will offer you a clean and refinish, which is by far the best way to make them look like new. A professional clean and refinish includes deep cleaning in an ultrasonic device to shake off dirt, and includes an intensive polish to remove scratches and restore the mirror-like shine. Alternative finishes such as a satin or brushed look can be restored. In the case of white gold jewellery, the rings will also be re-dipped to reapply the rhodium plating. Most jewellers will also check over your stone settings and advise on any additional maintenance work that might be needed. But for home cleaning, we recommend the following to get as close to a professional clean as possible. Most of the online advice available suggests using various household products, from washing up liquids to baking soda, with a toothbrush to scrub away at diamond settings. Please don't do this. There are only two main products you need, both purpose-built for cleaning your rings at home correctly without risk. What's more, they're inexpensive, reusable and compact. Used together, they're all you need to restore shine and sparkle to your rings. Now keep watching and I'll demonstrate exactly how each one works. But firstly, we have the Connoisseur Dazzlestik. This lipstick style cleaner features a micro polishing compound for gemstones and a polymer to fill fine scratches. It's easy to use and includes a suitably soft brush, long enough to get into the back of stone settings. Use it on most jewellery with the exception of pearls. In addition, we have Connoisseur Beauty Wipes. These are small dry wipes treated with a micro polishing compound to polish rings and gently remove any tarnish. They don't dry out and can be used multiple times with 25 sheets in the box. We recommend both products because we use them daily in our showroom. They're perfect for keeping our jewellery designs in pristine condition. So to move on to a demonstration of both cleaners, I'll start with the Dazzlestik. It's perfectly sized to carry with you and ideal for taking on weekend breaks and holidays. Before you begin, set aside a sheet of absorbent kitchen towel, a small bowl of water and a soft cloth. This is one of our soft jewellery cloths available from our website, in addition to both of these cleaning products. Once you're all set up, begin by removing the blue cap from your Dazzlestik. Dip the long brush in water to wet the bristles. Then turn the silver end to release a small amount of blue polishing compound onto the brush, and you'll hear a click. Now, natural oils, hand creams and grease build up on the back of diamonds, resulting in a noticeable reduction in sparkle. The Dazzlestik also helps to reduce small scratches with a micropolymer to bring back much of the shine. Work the brush across your diamond setting and pay close attention to the underside of the diamond where dirt builds up over time. Once you've done that, rinse in the bowl of water and dry off in the kitchen towel. Finally, once you've done that, use the soft cloth to buff the ring. You should notice a considerable improvement in the sparkle and shine of the diamond. The beauty wipes can be used in conjunction with the Dazzlestik, but they are most useful for wedding rings and the band of your engagement ring. They work in much the same way as a Dazzlestik, with a polishing compound and polymers to fill scratches. They won't remove the scratches, but will definitely help restore shine. Work the cloth around and inside your engagement ring band or wedding ring, and after you've been doing it for a while, stop and look at the cloth to see how much tarnish comes off the ring. In most instances, your fingers will be black from the same tarnish that covers the wipe. Each of the 25 dry wipes can be used several times, and in addition, they add an anti-tarnish layer to your jewellery to help keep the shine. Please do try both of them. We use them regularly and I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'll add a link to each product in our description below, but please feel welcome to comment or get in touch for further help and guidance. So please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.